What's up YouTube, it's JB coming back at you with another mini-Z video. So what I've got on the bench today is I've got my Kyosho MR03 VE Pro MM2 chassis set over here. It's got the 5600 kV brushless motor in it. It's got a ball diff, and I didn't want to change it over to this guy, which is an MM2 motor pod, but it's got a 3500 kV PN brushless motor in it, and with some Kyosho leads soldered onto it, so I can make this really a quick change from the 5600 kV to the 3500 kV and be able to run in the stock class. So I know I've got to change out the diff and a few other things, but really it'll make it a pretty quick change to be able to throw this motor pod in, and then once I want to go back out and beat on that 5600 kV, all I gotta do is throw the other motor pod back in it. So that's my goal for today. The other car is just my current stock brushed car. We got an event coming up, and I really want to put the brushless motor up against some of the brushed cars and see how it does, and see if there's any advantage to the 3500 kV. Now I will say the 3500 kV, I've got to run the 8-tooth pinion gear on it, which I think that'll be just fine. So that's what I got going on today, YouTube, and here we go. So there it is. Now I've got the 3500 kV PN motor on the MM2 chassis set. Should be all set for stock class now. Hopefully I have some run videos here in the next couple of weeks. See how it does. Thanks YouTube. See ya.